In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a page in Zoho Creator. Now, the first thing you want to do once you are inside one of your applications, you want to click on Edit this application at the very top right. And then over here, you'll be able to then create a new page by clicking on this plus button just next to your app name. And then over here, you can create a new component, and one of them here, as you can see, is a page. So to create a page, click on over here, and then it says, how would you like to create your page? You can either start from a template, of course, you're free to do that if you want to, or you can go ahead and start blank from scratch, okay? So if you're starting blank, of course, you will have to give it a name. I'm just going to name it page 1 for this tutorial, and then you can click on create page. Now after this, your page will be created and you can go ahead and drag on the elements, okay? So for example, I'm just going to drag on some random elements over here, and whenever you're happy with how this actually looks like, of course here on the right, you can go ahead and change the display, the action, the style, etc. And when you're happy, just close this out and you can then go ahead and put on whatever else you want to add on and just customize it, okay? Now here, I'm just going to cancel, there we go. And then whenever you are done with, of course, building your page, you can just click on done at the very top right, and as you can see over here, you'll now basically have a new page, okay? So that's basically how easy that is to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.